Hey guys, it's me, Kitty Magic Carpenter, and today I am in my dad's new car, and I am in his big. Yeah, so my dad had a car that is really good. I'm going to show it. So this is his bit. This is good. This is his car, and this is inside of it. Oh, my dad said these stuff. This one's to go fast. This one's to brake, and this one's to move the car. Yeah, and I'm not allowed to touch that. Ziggy's in there.
No. That's right, I need to shut the door and unlock it.
Ziggy! He's getting kidnapped! Guys, Ziggy's locked in here! Oh my god, guys! What's happening? Why is it so bright? Oh no. Bye guys. Notice thumbs up this video and subscribe. Bye Kitty Magic Carpenter friends.